Hi there, everyone. This is Sonia from Just Botanicals. Just wanted to check in. I have been spending a little bit this afternoon in my lab, getting ready for a couple things. Have quite a bit going on right now. My stuff, sorry, a phone call just came in. I have my products at Massage Now in Anchorage, so I have that going. And then I also have a workshop that I'm doing. Part of my business mission is to give back. And so I am actually doing free workshops at the Cook Inlet Housing Authority. So there's a group of 10 to 15 women tomorrow, and I'm going to show them how to make an herbal oil. So I'm going to actually try to turn this around for you to show you kind of what I'm doing to get ready here. I have my calendula. I have some rose petals, lavender, and chamomile. I also have some cheesecloth, beakers, sunflower oil, vitamin E oil, and that's actually, and then I have actually over in the other part of the lab, which is attached to the garage, so I guess I could actually show you that. You can see all our shoes and stuff. But so then I have all these boxes full of packaging. This is $900 worth of packaging plus $550 in shipping that I still have to pull out and organize into my drawers here. Then I have my burners and my double boilers for tomorrow. And I have some carrot. So I will actually show you. This is my dehydrator. It's kind of hard to get in here. This is my dehydrator, and I have carrot. There we go, that I am drying, and this is actually going to dry really fast. I really just wanted to pull the moisture out of the carrot because carrots are pretty moist and wet, and so when it comes to making an oil, like I don't want to put water in there, right? So waters is where a lot of bacteria will form. Easily grows in water. Oil-based products, as long as I don't stick my fingers in them. Hello, I see someone on there, so feel free to comment. Hi, Tanya. Thanks for joining. Feel free to ask any questions or comments, and I'm happy to answer. Just going through kind of what I'm doing today in my lab. And so I had some carrot that I'm dehydrating for tomorrow. And so I'm dehydrating it to get the water out of it so that when I make an oil tomorrow, I'm doing a workshop where I'm going to show them how to make a carrot oil, which is really good for anti-aging with the vitamin A and the carotene and other things in it. And so I'm going to show them how to do that. I'm also going to show them how to make a calendula oil, which is very soothing, great for baby products, and sunflower. And then we're going to do a fluid extract as well, where you can pull out the aqueous or the water-soluble compounds in rose, lavender, or chamomile. And then I also have some products here that I need to label still. There's some of my face polish. Hey girl, Tanya. Dark spots. Avocado oil is really good for dark spots. And a lot of the essential oils that I use in my anti-aging line are also good in general for the skin. Helichrysum. Anything that's going to be good for the liver or skin would help with the dark spots. But avocado oil is something that I know for sure is good, reportedly good for dark spots. So there are my walnut, strawberry, and Rasul clay facial polishes I need to label. And then I have there some of my hand balms. I have my sore muscle oil, some of my night creams, and my serums. And see how many of those still need to be labeled. And then I have some hydrosols. I use hydrosols for my the water-based portion of a lot of my lotions and cleansers. And so they come in plastic bottles, so then I need to repackage them in these glass containers so that they'll stay fresh longer. So that's something I got to do. Got to get ready for the workshop. I have the carrot oil over there, or I'm sorry, the carrot dehydrating that's going to go along with these other herbs. And let's see. Other than that, I'm gathering equipment. So, hey Tanya, yeah, I know, I hopefully will be there. I might be there in a couple weeks, but I'm definitely going to be there in November at the latest. So I look forward to seeing you there. So yeah, dehydrating have a bunch of packaging, $550 to ship, $900 in packaging. Super expensive. This business is very spendy, but it's worth it. And so that's why a lot of times products in Alaska that are Alaska made are super expensive, because the ingredients we're using are just, and the packaging and the shipping is pretty outrageous. So yeah, that's a little day in the lab. I think that's kind of what I wanted to cover. There's my lab notebook. Woohoo! And my inventory of my products right there. But these are all the formulations. I just keep track of every batch in my notebook. And so that we can always track back what made with what ingredients from what company. Yeah, so it's good to be here. Thank you for joining, Tanya. Awesome to have you. And any other questions you have, I'm happy to answer. All right, have a great night. Thanks. Bye.